Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide secure folder from app page or app screen. So here's the secure folder showing in my app library. Now let's see how to hide it. Go to your settings. In settings, scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Here, tap on more security settings and tap on secure folder and verify your secure folder lock. And here you will find this option, add secure folder to app screen. So to hide secure folder from your app screen, just disable this option and tap on hide. And now I'm going to opening my app screen again, and here we can't see the secure folder because it's hidden now. Thanks for watching.